The dead tank circuit breaker from Larson Electronics provides a safe and reliable way for operators in industrial settings to tap into and utilize power sources independently of the work area. The nameplate located on the front panel enables all circuit breaker characteristics to be identified. Compatible with 3-phase 145,000 volt AC, this 3-pole circuit breaker carries a 1200 amp rating at 138,000 volts AC. All of the control and signaling devices are located on the front of the circuit breaker. This circuit breaker is floor mounted and operated by a motor charge stored energy spring mechanism. Charging of the circuit breaker is normally performed by an electric motor. This system is used in power distribution to control and protect lines, transformer and distribution substations, motors, transformers, capacitor banks, and more. Larson Electronics, building trust since 1973. Contact us today.